Before I get going today, I want to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. I'd also like to thank you for inviting us into your home throughout the year. That means more than you can imagine. By now, if you're having dinner at home, you'll probably have everything all set. But if you're one of those folks who forgot to make the gravy, no worries, because I have a version that you can make lickety-split. We start by cooking some bacon until it's nice and crispy. Then we set it aside. Once your turkey is cooked, carefully pour the pan drippings into a large measuring cup. Now we skim off some of the fat from the drippings and add it to the skillet that we've cooked the bacon in. We stir in some flour, making what is known as a roux. After this simmers for a bit, we add about 4 cups of the pan drippings to it. And if you don't have enough pan drippings, simply add some chicken broth to make up the difference. After this thickens and is silky smooth, we add in the crumbled bacon. Then it's ready to serve. This gravy is going to make everything from the turkey to your mashed potatoes extra special. To get the recipe, just go to our website and look for bacon turkey gravy. I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a thankfully delicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Enjoy your Thanksgiving.